Ị teacher nwata ife si anya ebe n'ụlọ. In my opinion, otu nso ghọta mmụọ, right? Otu nso ghọta ịgọ mmụọ, which makes me the right person to write Ịgọ Mmụọ 101, my spirituality introductory book. In my understanding of Ịgọ Mmụọ, there is no way that the Yahoo epidemic will not have future consequences unless we do something that I'm going to say. Look at America, guy. Look at the future of the people that terrorized and still terrorize the world. They are a very troubled generation. There is no way that you're going to do something. If you're a strong man and you do something to somebody and that person starts pursuing you, maybe the person goes to a deity and swears for you, but you are used to sacrifice human head to save yourself. Can your child sacrifice human head to save themselves? Can your grandchild sacrifice human head to save themselves? Look at, they have serious drug problems. They have serious identity problems. You see all this, their sexuality mix-up bullshit. That thing starts from Mmụọ. If you know, you know. When my friend, I don't know if when she did ready, she go share her story. Black identifies as an Ekwenwai, or that she was once an Ekwenwai, right? Like it's like where the father of the house does not repair the compound. Feature Odozilu Obi. The Obi is in disarray. Bad spirits are walking around in the Obi. People are dying. Shit is happening. Then she is now the Adiada, right? She's now the one that maybe due to her past life or whatever, right? She's in the peculiar situation where she's a woman that is set up to repair their Obi. And that issue now culminated in her becoming more masculine in her words. She just came back home, focused on the work for 5 months, right? Focused on her self-work for 5 months, and apparently she's good again, right? She has an understanding that if you go back into the bush and lean yourself out and just, you know what I'm saying, go more, talk to your more direct, do the things that you are shown to do, everywhere will be good. So spirituality has to be practiced, whether it's to clear abominations that have already been done or to prevent future ones, right? Have good relations with the family more and prevent good future abominations from happening. So the children of the strong men of American a few years ago, man, they mess slave trade and stuff, like they in a mess. They in a mess. So you see now where we say scamming, they thrive. What's me now? The reason now we say we got they pay that spirit. Name teacher along what I see. If you rip that person off finishing spirit, go feed they cry. And if in they cry, you get who they listen to for the universe. You get universe who they listen to. And if you know if he touch you, make our children no go suffer when they try repair our own.